happy 60th birthday, my friend.
He's an old man now.
How do you feel now, better?
Old. I'm tired. No, all good. All
Blessed.
good. Yeah, blessed.
Blessed.
Blessed to have reached 60 years. Yeah.
Good morning from Singapore. Another day, just everywhere the preparation for Formula 1 racing. You can buy so many merchandises, and this is like one of the city centers, actually Raffles place. Raffles City. Behind me is the Kempinski Hotel. We just after breakfast. And today is Leigh's birthday, so we're gonna explore some interesting things today. Either way, this is the one of the main streets here of the Formula 1 track, upcoming track in next upcoming days. So cool. Hopefully next year I can come and watch the race. The works are still ongoing, so interesting time. And there also will be like one of the main parts as well, I think. And there behind me was already some McLaren team. So if I'm gonna be lucky enough, maybe we're gonna meet some drivers here around watching the track before racing, because I know they're doing that. So here gonna be one of the corner. This is the Parliament House. Some ads already of Formula 1, Rolex, stuff like this one. And this is actually very nice cultural part of Singapore. Anyway, it's the time for the $2 juice from this vending machine. That's the orange is coming. So cool stuff. Really like it, $2 only. And also it's much more healthier than Coke or something like that. So it can be some surprise for you, because usually when I'm traveling I'm drinking Coke every day. But in Singapore it's a little bit different today. Just change the outfit a little bit because we are going to Raffles. I never been there, so happy there. So excited to go there today. Where are we going?
Raffles.
Excited?
Yeah, baby.
Here we go, this is it. This is the Raffles. So beautiful. Check this out, so cool. This is the lobby of the Raffles. We have a reservation for the afternoon tea. So the current situation looks like this one as we arrive to the legendary Raffles Hotel in Singapore, because Leigh have a 60th birthday and his father was, his parents was actually here some years ago in the 90s. And we're gonna have an afternoon tea here in the Raffles Hotel. I never been here, so I'm very excited, and I'm so happy as I'm here today. Happy birthday, Leigh.
He is 60 today.
Yeah.
Thank you for celebrating.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you for having us.
Where else would we celebrate?
Yeah, exactly.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Happy birthday again. Alright guys, so today we're celebrating the Leigh 60th birthday. As I mentioned actually before, we're having the afternoon tea in the Raffles Hotel in Singapore. Such a legendary place, beautiful place, and I will show you around how does it look like and how the afternoon tea process looks around. Our afternoon tea, some scones arrive. Hello.
So it has 2 different jam and cream.
3 different kind of jams, 2 kinds. Introduction, what we have here. Beautiful afternoon tea in beautiful place, Raffles Hotel, built in 1887. This is a piece of history of Singapore, by the way. I'm gonna show you around, and I think when we come together to Singapore, we have to come and do the afternoon tea again, because it's so cool. This is one of the corridors outside and the gardens. How does it look like? You can go to outside of the hotel, to the lobby area actually. There is the one fountain. They're gonna be special event today, so unfortunately I cannot get inside. the chef talking with the guests. This is one of the courtyards in Raffles Hotel. Well, not so many people are actually walking around, but I heard the hotel is actually pretty busy. Very cozy sitting area as the courtyard of the Raffles Hotel. Architecture is really magnificent. I'm gonna tell you, it's so cool to be here. Sambar Macallan. Well, something here is very nice. I don't know how to get there. Actually, I would like to show you around. Even what is more interesting and some of the parts of this hotel, like this coffee shop and some shops here, are open to public, not only to the guests of the hotel. This is also a very special moment for Leigh because his parents, like in 1990s, was sitting, or early 20s, were sitting exactly in this where now they are sitting. Ah, so cool! Happy birthday, sir!
Oh, nice.
So nice, huh? That was the morning full of attractions today, but the day doesn't finish yet. Now we arrived to the Marina Bay area. This is the beautiful panorama of the city, and by the way, behind me is one of the most beautiful Apple stores in the world. Very similar to this one in Bangkok, but this one is more unique because it's totally fully on the water and only one Apple store like this one. And overall area over here looks very beautiful. This is one of the most iconic parts of Singapore right now. We're gonna stroll a little bit around. We're gonna go to the Marina Bay onto the top, and then we're gonna come back here by night, because also by night looking very nice, and we have like 25 minutes to get there. Anyways, this is good opportunity to show you how looks this area of Singapore by daytime and by nighttime, because by night is also very interesting. Also, I really like this promenade for walking with these big palm trees. Also, that's a little view of the Marina Bay Sands shopping mall. There is the casino. We're also gonna go there, I think. You can find so many luxury brands over here, of course. And this is like a passage between the mall and the towers of Marina Bay, where actually if you're looking up, they are there. And don't take me wrong, this is not just regular mall, because they have a little Venice. I mean, you have a Bowser and all of this stuff. There behind me is also a very nice casino, by the way, one of the most coolest in Asia, maybe just after Macau. We're gonna go there, but later, and we cannot film inside, unfortunately, guys. It's a little view of the shopping mall from the outside to little bit make you where we are. And this is the Marina Bay Sands itself. So cool. It's also a good point how traffic in Singapore is very, very little. That's the huge roads, but not so many cars around. And this is the main entrance to the tower number 1 and 2 to Marina Bay Sands Hotel. Check this out, lovely people. Hello, thank you. Thank you. Here we go. Legendary Marina Bay Sands. Either way, we plan to go to the, Selavi bar on the rooftop, but it's full book for a 1 month up front, so we go to Spago. There's many sky bars on this hotel, so we're gonna try one of them today. And this is the tower number 3. This is the Sky Park observation deck. You can get here by the tickets over here. I do it last time. You can watch my old video, guys. As usual, you can find some nice car park here, like a 2 Rolls Royce and 1 Porsche Cayenne, I think. So we're gonna go to Spago. One of the bars never been, let's see, in the tower 2. We are going to the 55th floor, and then we have to change into 57th. Then you have an infinity pool, Spago, restrooms and stuff. Seems very busy to me, guys, I'm gonna tell you. And over there is the pool. So I promised to my uncle today, as it's his 60th birthday, I gotta show him the ships, the harbor from, from the Sky Bar or somewhere. He really wanted, right? You really wanted. I don't know why. He loves ships. And here we go. Check this out. What we have over there. A lot of ships. This is very cool view, by the way. This is the view over here. Here we go. You have ships. You have gardens by the bay. You have everything actually over here. It's pretty cool. And the bar looks like this one. I didn't even know about the existence of this place. So also I'm gonna tell you the prices here are very affordable. For in Singapore standards and sky bars like this ones are very affordable. When you can have like this one, it's really not so bad. Really not so bad menu. Our drinks arrive. I have a cider. Cheers guys. Happy birthday again. Also interesting fact, over there you can see Sumatra in Indonesia, over there you can see Batam in Indonesia, and over there is Malaysia if I'm not mistaken, and there you can see the airport by the way. And of course overall very cool view overlooking the gardens by the bay and the ships in the Malacca Stripe. And on the other side you can see of course the swimming pool of Marina Bay Sands Hotel and beautiful view overlooking the center of Singapore, of course. That was pretty cool experience, that's for sure. And now is the time to explore a little bit of the nightlife of Marina Bay area. And of course going to casino. I cannot film inside. I will see you after. Here we go. Here I come. Here I go. And that's it what I can show you. Alright guys, this is it. That was very exciting days for me, for everyone. Happy birthday Leigh. Thank you so much for having me here in Singapore today. And tomorrow is another day in Singapore guys, so stay with me, bear with me. And if you are interested to watching more videos from Singapore, I was here like 5 months ago and I make 10 different videos, so you can watch my older videos. You know, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. See ya. Hey Lindy, where did you go? You messed up. Oh, she made a mistake.